In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create coupons on Klaviyo websites. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to create coupons on Klaviyo websites. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply navigate to our account to go in our settings. So let's just click on this bottom left corner, then make sure to click on settings. That should take you into this page. Once you are here, make sure to choose this profile maintenance or maintenance. And as you can see from here, you can actually show an uploaded coupons tab on coupon page. So once we turn it on, as you can see, you saved successfully. That means the settings is saved. And of course, next you will have to prepare a list of your unique coupons codes. So let's just go into our homepage now. We simply go here to the search section and click at or type coupons. Coupons. Click at search couponing profile. That should give you this. Here, of course, you would like to have an CSV file that contains your coupon that you made by your own. Then simply you can click on upload your coupon file and of course, they're going to tell you what you want to choose, a list or segment, choose whatever suits you. Then, of course, you can create your list. Of course, just enter the name. Let's just name it test as an example. Click at create list. And here, as I said, you can just go and upload the contacts that you would like them to benefit these coupons. And of course, you'll be good to go. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.